Hey guys, Merry Christmas. Here we have my 1960s Emerson television and radio quiet cool. It's finally put back together, it's been restored, and it runs again, so I'm very happy. Shut this off now. It's my basement. By the way, my basement's at like 75 degrees, so I can run this. Yeah, I put it together about a week ago, and I had to wait till now to make a video on it. So here's the low fan. I also fixed the back fan as well. That's been fixed. High fan. See it below there. Goes there from the sides. Let's do it. Move some stuff here. All right, here we go. Low cool. Actually, I'm gonna put it in between speeds, and I'm just gonna turn up the thermostat. All right, let's go. Here we go. Rattles a little. There we go. We're running. I also repainted the bottom base pan. This case was mint enough to reuse. It's just about the same. It's the closest I can find. That's all. There's a screw in there. That's not. We're gonna let this run for a little bit and we'll take some temp checks. Start up my furnace. Torch it, right? Has ignited. See, it's running good. The fan should get on any second. Yep. There it goes. Fan's running. And yeah, there you go. Here's my 2017 Ream furnace starting up while I'm waiting for this to finish building pressure. Everything. Pretty cool. Get that panel back on for you guys. There we go. All done. And it's running. And you see we have an off-brand evaporator coil, which I absolutely despise. So, yeah, there you go. Nowhere close to my grandmother's 1940s boiler, but it's something. Let's see if I can fix that rattle by taking off. Try to solve that rattle. I'll be back. Alright, I have fixed the rattle on it. There's your outdoor. Oh, I almost forgot to put the filter back in. Put that back in. Right in the top. Oh, problem, right? I keep forgetting which way the right way is for this. This, I think it is, right? I don't even know. If it could even pop in, that'd be nice. I'm pretty sure it's this way, but I could be very wrong. I'm trying to get it in. Alright, come on. There we go. Alright, that's it now. Yeah. I should have my temperature around here somewhere. In theory. Okay. Do I have it in here? I should. I hope I have it. It's probably on one of my tables. Let me check my table over here. Is it over here anywhere? No. It's right there. It's right in front of one of my clocks here. Let's see. Ambient temperature in here is about 75. All right, cool. And we're getting, yeah, that seems about right. Very cold temperatures. Intaking about 62, which is probably because there's another evaporator coil on there. All right, here's one more compressor. Just better off. All right, that's about it, guys. Yeah. I guess the rest of this video will be about my furnaces, but oh yeah, let me go temp check the one down here that I already got running. Out of this again. Woo, that's hot. Not bad. You know, any gas furnace I've noticed seems to work very well. This gas furnace has been like the air conditioner side of this ream system. It's been complete junk. I mean, it's probably because we have these stupid off-brand evaporator coils, but you know, these the furnaces themselves, they're actually solidly built. Believe it or not, we've had no issues with them. We've only had issues with the air conditioning side, nothing with the furnaces. So yeah.